enhances photography quality, improves grip stability, enables creative shots, and prevents accidental phone drops. Today's video is about top 5 best iPhone lens kit that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Xenvo iPhone Lens Kit. This lens kit is a solid upgrade for anyone who wants better mobile photography without carrying a full camera setup. The 0.45x wide-angle lens noticeably expands the field of view, making it great for landscapes, group shots, and travel scenes while keeping edges clear and distortion low. The 15x macro lens is the highlight for close-up work, capturing sharp detail in textures, objects, and nature shots when positioned correctly. The included LED glow clip is especially useful in low light, offering adjustable brightness that produces more natural results than a standard phone flash. The True Grip clip holds everything securely, so the lenses don't shift during shooting. Build quality feels durable with metal and coated glass elements, and the travel case makes it easy to carry everything together. Compatibility across most smartphones and even tablets adds flexibility. Overall, it's a practical kit for improving everyday photography, whether for casual use, travel, or content creation. Now our second product is KNF Concept iPhone Lens Kit. This CPL filter kit is a great upgrade for mobile photography, especially for anyone who wants DSLR-like results from a smartphone. The KNF Concept Nano Case CPL filter noticeably improves image quality by reducing glare and reflections from surfaces like water, glass, and shiny objects, making photos look cleaner and more professional. Color reproduction is another strong point. Thanks to the Japanese AGC glass and 18-layer MRC coating, images retain natural tones while boosting contrast and saturation. Blue skies look deeper, and clouds appear more defined without over-processing. The clip-on design makes it easy to use with most smartphones, and the 52mm filter compatibility also adds flexibility for DSLR users. Installation is simple, just attach, clip, and rotate to adjust the polarizing effect in real time. It's especially useful for travel, street photography, landscapes, and content creation. Overall, this is a practical and affordable tool for improving mobile photography quality significantly. Our third product is Ailun iPhone Lens Kit. This lens kit is a solid and affordable option for improving mobile photography with multiple creative effects. The build quality feels reliable, with lanthanide optical glass that helps reduce glare and improve clarity in everyday shots. The aluminum frame adds durability, making it suitable for travel and frequent use. The clip-on design is simple and convenient, attaching easily to most smartphones and tablets. The soft rubber clamp protects the phone from scratches while keeping the lens stable during use. Compatibility is fairly wide, supporting many devices as long as the camera lens size fits within the stated limit. Each lens offers distinct shooting styles. The fisheye creates fun wide hemispherical images, the macro lens captures sharp close-up details, and the wide-angle lens is great for landscapes, group photos, and architecture. Some minor limitations exist, like occasional vignetting and the need for careful macro focusing, but overall it's a versatile kit for casual photography and creative content. Now number 4, Evil Eye iPhone Lens Kit. This TM6 TeleMacro lens kit is a powerful upgrade for smartphone photography, offering impressive optical performance and versatility. The build quality stands out with an aluminum alloy body and a multi-element glass system that delivers sharp, detailed images with minimal distortion and high light transmission. Colors look natural and images remain clear even at higher magnification. The 2-in-1 design is the key highlight. It combines a 6x telephoto lens for capturing distant subjects like wildlife, sports, or landscapes, and a 150mm macro mode for extreme close-ups of textures, insects, or small objects. Switching between modes feels practical for both casual and creative shooting. Focus adjustment is smooth, allowing fine control over distance, while the wider eyepiece also enables handheld viewing like a monocular, adding extra usefulness beyond phone photography. It supports a wide range of smartphones, making it flexible for most users. Overall, it's a strong choice for anyone wanting to explore both long-distance and macro photography with a single lens system. And our last choice is Telesin iPhone Lens Kit. This all-in-one creator bundle is a practical solution for anyone focused on mobile content creation. The combination of a magnetic phone grip and selfie light makes shooting faster and more convenient, especially for social media, video calls, and on-the-go photography. The magnetic attachment is strong and stable, giving a DSLR-like handheld feel without complicated setup. The 3200 mAh battery is a useful addition, offering long shooting time for travel or extended recording sessions without constant recharging. The built-in fill light works well in low-light environments, helping balance exposure and improve skin tones, while the 180 degrees adjustable flip makes it flexible for selfies, vlogs, or overhead shots. Its compact and stylish design makes it easy to carry, fitting comfortably in a bag or pocket. Setup is quick, just snap and shoot, which is ideal for fast-paced content creation. With wide compatibility for both iPhone MagSafe devices and Android phones, this kit is a versatile option for creators across different platforms and shooting styles. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.